I was here to try and push myself with the guys, so the race was really so nice. So the course was so fun than yesterday. So and everyone tried his level best to push his or her limits. So but the course was really pretty fine. Yeah.
We want to have a fair way of selection. We don't want just to handpick people because we feel that they can know how to ride. No, it was a fair way of who comes first and who finishes last and who can be shortlisted for training but not traveling.
Nitokoretwo pia tukiwaka na community around the young upcoming riders. Tukoretwo tukimateithia go train thĩinĩ wa track itu ĩrĩa developetwo na nituge niyo one of its kind thĩinĩ wa Kenya.
Mahenya maria manene ma bũrũri wa Afrika maria magakorwo haha na Rumoro ni magakorwo makirepresentwo ni team ya Kenya ĩrĩa ĩgũcagũrwo kuma harĩ mahenya maya ya juniors airetu, juniors arũme na senior airetu na senior men.